And so all that's left to do is throw them.
Did you know that plants explode, kill birds, and get eaten intentionally, all for the purpose of spreading their seeds? The various methods of seed dispersals that plants rely on are incredibly fascinating. In order to get a deeper look at how plants disperse their seeds, we need to look in the real world. Let's go! Hi, my name is Krupali and welcome to LabRats. A dandelion is a perfect example of seed dispersal. When you or the wind blows on the dandelion, the fuzzy hairs carries its seed through the sky. Then, these seeds later grow into the dandelions we know and love, and the cycle repeats itself again. Dandelions are only one example though. The way that plants disperse seeds can vary in extreme ways, such as exploding seed pods, coconuts floating across oceans, and pointy seeds getting stuck in animal fur and sometimes your socks. The methods by which seeds disperse are largely dependent on the environment they grow in. So plants in windy environments tend to develop helicopter-like seeds, while plants in water environments develop more buoyant properties. In today's lab, we will mimic a few of the many ways that plants like to disperse their seeds. One of these ways is by utilizing wind to carry light and small seeds. Plants like maple, ash, and sycamore create helicopter seeds. These helicopter seeds are able to fly vast distances in the wind due to their uniquely shaped leaves. So today, we are going to make our own model of helicopter seeds out of paper. For this lab, you will need scissors, an index card, a ruler, and some paper clips.
And basically, you're going to cut along here and then flip it over on the other side. Cut right there.
Take the index card and make 2 cuts, just like this.
Now you have this type of, I guess you could say Z paper. And then you're going to get the 2 ends right here and squeeze them together.
Hold the 2 loose ends together and paper clip them.
And you will just clip the bottom. Our seeds can sit on top really nicely.
Nice! Now you have a paper helicopter seed. Try dropping it and see what happens.
Whee!
Did you know that plants also disperse seeds by exploding seed pods? We can create seed bombs that explode just like Minecraft TNT does. To make a seed bomb, you will need some soil, water, and cornstarch. So, first, you also need to get your seeds and make sure they are from a plant that is native in your local area. To get started, first mix the wet soil and water together with some cornstarch and make sure they are mixed completely.
That's so fun. Come on. She's making it work. She's making it work. She's making it work. Let's time it off. 2 minutes spin off.
She can like cut this part.
This is the final one. Caroline can figure it out, right?
Like, it's fine.
About this much. Wait, let me just start over. So we're mixing.
Take this mixture and add a few of your seeds and roll it together, just like making cookies. These seed bombs should be about the size of a ping pong ball. So now we have our seed balls. And so all that's left to do is throw them. Yay! The environment they grow in determines what methods are best to spread their seeds. Seeds have 5 main methods of dispersal: wind, water, explosions, animals, and gravity. For example, maples and dandelions grow in windy places, so their seeds evolved to be small and light so the wind can carry them along. Did you know that the seeds found in your pet's fur is one of the ways seeds are spread? Animals are one of the most important tools used in seed dispersal in a variety of ways, such as consuming and pooping the seeds, burying them, and attaching the seeds to their fur. Some special seeds literally explode to send their seeds flying in order to spread. Today, we looked at the seed bomb and wind methods and saw how these methods spread the seeds. If you were a plant, which methods would you choose? Personally, I would choose the explosion one because it looks really cool. As always, happy sciencing!